I can't unbox these things here. I don't have enough space. Stand by. Oh my God. Woo. Sorry, downstairs neighbors. Woo! This is a big monitor. I'm actually really excited about this one. I've never had an ultra-wide monitor before. This is kind of cool. It's kind of neat. It's an ultra-wide. You know what you call that? We call that the big guy. It's a big guy. If you know, you know. Yeah. Holy moly. Okay, so this is the Alienware AW3423DW. I do appreciate the big ass handle. This is a 34-inch curved OLED, quantum dot OLED, might I add, gaming monitor. I believe it's 175 hertz refresh rate, 34-inch. That's insane, dude. Quantum dot OLED gaming monitor. They're starting to make their way. If you don't know anything about gaming monitors and why we don't use OLED very often for gaming monitors, there's a little thing called burn-in, among other challenges with using OLED panels for gaming. I don't know all the specificities, but there are plenty of YouTube channels that do. I'm gonna focus on the experience. And so far, this box, I love Alienware boxes, dude. Yeah, I know it's Dell. I know, I get it. But dude, they do a good job, you know? If I could just get it in the shot. Oh, see, this is smart. All right, I gotta show this off. So Alienware is smart enough, and I'm gonna keep calling them Alienware for now, because that sounds way cooler than Dell. You just kind of unfurl this, and the front drops down. So that you don't have to try to lift it up out, but instead just slide it out, which is really smart. So, good job, Alienware. All the Alien branded stuff, dude, you gotta love that. I mean, come on, that's cool. Alrighty, the unboxing experience for the Alienware, I'm in, dude, I'm sold, look at that. Without further ado, got some legs, some nice legs. We like legs. Show me your legs. Cables, lots of cables. We like it. A mysterious Alienware box that we will open at the end. Power cable, power brick. No, this looks like the vase mount. Cleaning cloth, plastic back panel. This is the actual back part of the stand. I do like this recycled material, it looks like. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Dude, look at this. I love the black foam. Alienware just, dude, if you've ever opened an Alienware, look at this. Yo, it's so clean. If you've ever opened an Alienware product, hit the like button right now. Comment below, what was the first Alienware product you ever bought? Was it a laptop? Was it a desktop? Do y'all remember the packaging on Alienware back in the day? I haven't opened anything from Alienware in a long time. This is the first thing I've had in years. But I can tell you right now, my first gaming desktop I bought when I graduated high school in 2013. It was an Alienware Aurora R4 with a GTX 680 reference card. I still have that card too, I still have it. An i7, boy, what would it have been back then? I don't even remember. It had 16 gigs of RAM, it was liquid cooled, it was fucking awesome. And I remember opening it, and if you've ever had an Aurora from Alienware, dude, the box had like, it was so big and it had the Alienware print on it. Dude, it was the coolest thing to get an Alienware. I'm just saying. Let's get it out. Honestly, it doesn't feel that ultra wide for what it's worth. Sounded like something broke. So let's take a peek at this guy. Oh wow, they put bubble wrap on the front of it too. That's smart. Look at that. Boom, take that off, that over there. And there you go. Oh man, I'm liking this. No stupid plastic sticky shit. Samsung. Spoiler alert. You saw that video, you know what I'm talking about. That was the worst. Wow, the finish on this display. I don't know if you can't really tell yet, but dude, the finish on the panel itself is awesome looking. That's wild. It's like, it's hard to explain. It's reflective. Like it looks like it has glass on it as opposed to a matte finish. So I don't know how anti-glare this is going to be. I'm gonna try my best to be really careful with this. Alienware, if you're watching this, I'm sorry if I just did that so wrong. Let's grab this stand. Nice and easy. Now this one's got a thumb screw. The other monitor, you had to use a screwdriver. I like toolless stuff, so Alienware is already kind of ahead right now in terms of the unboxing. There you go. This does have G-Sync, which most monitors these days do. The panel, it swivels left and right. It telescopes up and down a pretty good amount. It tilts, I already said that, right? It tilts forward and back. It pivots. It goes vertical. No vertical. So if you were looking to use this vertically, it does not do that. I believe it is 31, it's like 34 something by, it's basically 4K, or it's basically 1440, but not quite. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on the screen, okay? I forget exactly. This is a weird resolution because it's ultra wide. Leave me alone. But I'll put it up on the screen so you can see what it is. It's not quite 4K, but it's because it's ultra wide, you know, it's a lot of pixels, so don't worry about it, it's fine. Anyway, cool. Well, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. We'll be doing some more unboxings here very soon. And stay tuned for the full review and some shorts and stuff. You can follow me on Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, Kick, Threads, all the social media things. 24 Concept, that's XXIV_concept. Learn your Roman numerals, dude. You can catch me over there doing some BTS stuff of me filming things, talking about being silly, being dumb, other projects I'm working on. So, but most importantly, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got some really cool stuff coming up very soon. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. You all thought I forgot about the little Alienware box, but I didn't forget. Let's see what's inside this thing. I'm assuming it's just stickers. What if I opened it? It's just like, fuck you, you know? Hell yeah, dude. Nice metallic Alienware sticker, very Apple-esque, and some safety stuff. So nothing super fancy, but I remembered that I said that I was going to open it at the end, and then I didn't. So sorry to leave you hanging. But now you know. Because I know that's what you were waiting for this whole time. You're like, man, what's inside that tiny little Alienware box? That's what it was. You're welcome. If you want the sticker, I don't know, like this video, comment if you want the sticker. I'll mail it to you. I'll mail it to you free of charge. Put it in the comments. All right, bye.